Hello, Ken. So let's go ahead and log in into your website. So once you get onto your website, gqproducts.com, go ahead and enter after that website is /wp-admin. Hit enter, and then you'll be inside. If you're already logged in, otherwise I sent you logged in information. Just go ahead and log in when it asks you to log in, and this is where it takes you after you have logged in. You don't really need to know anything in here, but you have to be logged in order to edit things. Okay, so right after you log in, go ahead and click on View Site right here, or you can just erase this part and go to your website. Here, if this doesn't appear in the first place, just go ahead and refresh the page. But this appears because you have already logged in, so you have this extra bar. Now let's get familiar with this bar here. This is where you can add new, say for instance, portfolio pages. Say for instance, you have a new product and you obtained basic photos of it and basic description. This is where you would add the product. And I'll show you how to edit the product as well. But here is the landing page, and what you want to do, for instance, you want to these are the comments. So say for example you want to edit a comment here. So let's go ahead and take a look how this section looks in the back end of it. Okay, so go ahead and click on edit page. I'll go ahead and open an extra tab so we can compare the two. So this is going to be my front end, and this is going to be the back end of the same landing page. Okay, so let's get to that section. So we're looking for what people are saying. All right, so let's find what it says. Here you go. What people are saying, and these are all of the quotes that you see that are going by here. Okay. So say for example you want to start pulling some of those quotes. You'll have to do it by hand. So you have to do like copy and paste basically. So for example you want to, well, let's go ahead and edit the one that you have. In order to edit, actually, you know what, for simplicity, let me get rid of all these. This way it doesn't confuse you. So when you want to add a testimonial, go ahead and just click this plus sign, and it will ask you to hit this block quote. Hit that and select this and replace it with the best equipment and, you know, blah 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 by blah 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 blah. Save. Okay, so and then hit update, and that will refresh the back end of it, and you should also refresh the front end of it to see the change. There it is. We got this thing right here. Since there's only one, that's it right here, just one. But after this, to add more, scroll down to again what people are saying. Just the plus sign is going to be here. It's not going to be in the center anymore. It's going to be here. And again, block quote. Or another way of doing this is actually just hitting this, and this button copies this one. So then you can just go ahead and mouse over this way and just erase the previous one that you just made a copy of and replace it with a new blah blah blah. Okay? Alright, so that's how you add a testimonial.